it's that time of the month where I need to plan out January. So if you know that I like using OneNote. So I'm using OneNote on my iPad, and I also have the Apple Pencil that I like to use. So the first thing I like to do is I like marking out all of the days that we don't have school. So I know winter break continues on to there. I know the 18th is a holiday. So I'm going to go to my stickers. I'm going to pick out my no school sticker that I know I have, no school. Hold it, copy it, go back to my January, the 18th, hit paste, paste. So there's my January 18th, no school. Then I also know that I have to turn in, the first thing I need to do when I get back is I need to turn in my family survey findings, and they're going to be due on the 22nd. So I'm going to go over back to my stickers, and I'm going to get my due date one that I know that I need to do my family survey. So go to January. I want to have that turned in by the 22nd. Paste. I'm going to use my red pencil, make it a little bit bigger so it's easier for me to write. So zoom in so I can write family surveys. Okay, so I know that I need to do. Now I can start kind of thinking about what I want to plan for. So I've already been kind of thinking, and the kids have already been talking about, because it's starting to get really cold here. They're excited to be able to go to the snow and do that. So I want to be able to do some winter activities when we go back, because I know after break, a lot of them have been playing in the snow. So I will probably start out there again. I'm going to go back to my stickers just because it's easier. And I think I might start out with winter. Snow people, stuff like that, and going into my January and have that when we very first come back from winter break, because it's going to be fresh in their head and they're going to be wanting to talk about everything snow and all that good stuff. So I will probably do that for at least a week, and we can always change that based on the children's interest. So I'm going to get my blue, because snow is kind of a bluish color, and get my arrow so that I can go, I'm going to be doing snow there. Then I know towards here I have to be working on community helper based on our district plan. So I know here I'm going to have to talk about our neighborhood. So I think I'm going to be using these 2 weeks to still maybe do some winter stuff, but I really want to do some polar animals. I'll probably talk about how to be kind and stuff through here, where I have a dream project that can go here for Martin Luther King. So let's say here I want to do my Martin Luther King dream project, because that's something that they take home. It's kind of a whole family, school kind of community thing. And then here I'm going to be doing, there again, I said polar animals. So go to my stickers, look for my little polar animal guy here, copy him, take him to my January, and I'm going to start him here and do a paste. And I'm probably going to work on our polar animals probably for 2 weeks. Copy, and then he'll come back down through here somewhere for paste. He'll work in with our dream stuff. As we talk about Martin Luther King, we can also be working on our polar animals and kind of do both of those at the same time. Let me get my arrow so I know that I'm extending this throughout this week, and then I'm extending it through this week here. And then here I'll probably start going into community helpers. So stickers, let's go to some of my theme-based stickers that I have. And I probably have something here that's going to show our neighborhood dental health, any of that kind of stuff that we might be working on. Okay, fire prevention, our neighborhood. I think I'll do this one because it's going to be everything within our community. Copy, go back to my calendar, my January calendar. Whoop, I hit December, January calendar, and I'm going to paste this down in here because we're probably going to be starting on our neighborhood through here. So now that I have my base plan of the things that we're going to be working on, now I can kind of start thinking about the activities that go behind it. And whoop, forgot to do my arrow, but that's okay. I will just use the marker for that. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. I can also on here, if I expand this out and I want to zoom it in, my to-do list over here that I definitely don't want to forget is my family survey findings. Family survey must do, so that I don't forget to turn that in. That's pretty much the only thing that I know that I have on my plate that I have to get to admin. So that gives me a basis for what I'm going to be doing in January. What's on your list to do in January?